Boom! In this video, I'm gonna be talking about things you should do in your garden in the month of December. Let's go! What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's me, Rickey Jr. back again for another video. And like I said, this one will be talking about things that you could and should be doing in your gardening and your growing adventures at home, okay? Now, obviously, we're in the month of December, which happens to be a cooler month, even in the state of Florida. Like, you know, we getting 60s. 60s is kind of cool for us, so don't laugh at us. All the people up north, you like, wait a minute, what are you talking about? Yes, okay, it's like 60s. No, it's like 70 some degrees today, and you already see I'm in a hoodie. Like, we just used to what we used to, okay? But that's neither here nor there. What I'm talking about are things that you could be and most likely should be doing in your garden, even at a time like this, even if you're in Florida like me. But one of the first things I would recommend is definitely doing some hydroponic growing largely because I strongly believe it's not the way of the future, it's the way of now, okay? And so even getting the technique of what to do, how to do it, what it's like, things like that, you definitely want to go ahead and get some expertise, get some experience in it. So I'll definitely be doing some future videos this month pertaining to the hydroponic system because, as you all saw, I am growing in the hydroponic system. I have 3 pumping and going right now. And one I'm liking way more than the others, which I'll explain it all in detail another time, right? But outside of that, hey, the brassica families are things that you could and should be growing right now because it thrives in a time like this, no matter where you are. Even if it's snow, which I'm seeing snow in the state of Washington and other places like that, you can still do the brassica family because they love it. The colder it is, the more like firmer it is, which like adds to the taste, right? And so all those things matter. Even in the sunshine state, there are different varieties of your brassica families that do well in the warm, in the cold, in the freezing cold, and in the Arctic cold, okay? Those that are experiencing snow right now, I consider you to be in the Arctic cold now. So that's that. But then also, of course, you have your things like beets. You have your cilantro over here that's growing well. And I'm looking at to see if any other herbs are growing right on that. Of course, the marigolds. The marigolds gonna do what they do in season and out of season. It's irrelevant. Of course, the rosemary is gonna do what the rosemary is gonna do as well. Now, the chickens, on the other hand, their egg production isn't as vast and as plentiful in this season, so that was something that I had to learn because obviously I'm new to the whole chicken game. But in it all, with it all, like, do your thing, great people, okay? Don't let this time hold you back, but let December be one to remember, largely because, of course, you can even do poinsettias, right? Which I wouldn't say grow them. I would say go buy them and make sure they are where you are so that the area that you are in is nice, festive, and fun. And I'm walking around the backyard because a lot of new things have been changed in the yard, which I'm not gonna do that on this video. It'll definitely be another video, so definitely make sure you stay tuned. But I definitely want to give you all some things, tips, and ideas and things that you could do, and I recommend that you would do during this month of December, okay? Obviously, Christmas trees, that's your thing. Go ahead and get you a Christmas tree. But if you want some substance on food, I'm talking about those things, okay? All right, great people. So, of course, this video is nice, sweet, and short because I wanted to make sure you had what you needed to do, and you can go off and do it, okay, great people? So, until next time, in between time, love you all. Peace.